Namaskara. Welcome to Movement Nuances series. This is the fourth segment of my talk with Guru Dr. Lalita Srinivasan.
Did the Shringara Nayika. Initially, that was in 77 itself. I did immediately after learning from 75, 76, I used to go down to Mysore and when I learned the Ashtapadis, four Ashtapadis, I learned from Venkat Lakshma. And then I said once again, Shringara Nayika is the Nayika Beda from the Gita Govinda itself. And I have added the Sangeeta Ratnakara's sings captions on each Nayika. There's one line of description which adds to the beauty of the whole thing. And the Nayika, I divided it into four parts. Initially with Dashavataram Stuti, as we pick up a Stuti, it was like a Margam only, a Stuti, and then Lalita Lavanga, which is the spring season. We don't get a Proshita Bhatraka exactly in the Ashtapadi. Only in this way, Krishna is playing, and then the Vadhu's husbands have gone somewhere and they are also pining for their own mates. There's just suggestive that, nothing else about Prashna Bhadraga. Next, I come to the Vasaka Sajja. That is very evident in Natahare, which I learned from Dr. Venkat Lakshma. But I had to make the Lalita Lavanga, I composed myself. And then that's been liked a lot by V.A.K. Ragrao. He keeps me calling Lalita Lavanga Lalita, he says. Lata, Lalita Lavanga Lata, he calls me. And then I take up the next one, is Vipra Labdha. Yami He Kamiha Sharanam, where she feels cheated by her Sakis, and at the appointed time, Krishna did not reach her, come to her. Then Virhot Kantita, the one I taught you, that Smarasamar she goes in gaga over her imagination and jealousy and all that comes through. And then Yahi Madhava, when he appears in the morning, she shuns him, saying that, I do not want to see your face, you have spent your night with somebody else. Then the Madhave Makurubani comes like next as a Saki of Radha. These three were by Radha herself, Yahi Madhava and Vipralabdha and Smarasamarachita. Then the Saki again comes and Madhave Makurubani, don't be so proud, give up your ego and go to him. And Rati Sukasare says he is waiting for you there, and be an Abhisarika and go to him. At last, Sambhoga Shringara, we do that Kuru Yadunandana, where Radha is happy with Krishna. This I have put it together once again. I had done Shringara Nayika. That is Ashtanayika Beda. I used to start with Dashavatanam, end with Yatilanam in Desh Raga, and this thing. I don't know how I used to dance 2.5 hours continuously like that. Wow. I don't know. I used to think I didn't have the stamina, but now seeing others, I feel I must have had a great stamina. Very clear, but it's Karuna Rasa. The desperation of the person is seen by her body movement, that she's really suffering something or being disappointed or something, and she's trying to reach out for help, and that's how we thought of it. And it's Karuna Rasa in that Angabhava, that is Navarasa through the body movement.
ಬಳಿಗ ಬರುತ್ತಿತ್ತು ದೇಗುಲಗೆ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾರು ತೊಡಲಿನ ಪೂಜೆ ಸಲ್ಲುತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಸಾರು ತೊಡಲಿನ ಪೂಜೆ ಸಲ್ಲುತ್ತಿತ್ತು
ಗೌಡ ಕನ್ನನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿಹನೆನ್ನುವುದ ಮಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿದಳೊಮ್ಮೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
Now, what you saw was from Gaudar Malli, a village tale which I adopted for a dance drama by Jnanapita Vijeta, once again, Masti Venkateshengar. For his centenary, we put up this show. Since it was a village tale where a Dalita woman was wooed by the village chieftain, and then she grew up to be a very competent woman, helped the society around her, and also built up the very community of her village with all her love and understanding and help and all that. So she grew in her stature so much. When she died, they built a temple for her. So that's the tale of given a chance, any such person can grow to be larger than life personalities. So I like that attitude. Since it was a village tale, I wanted to use only folk. So I brought some videos from the folk academy of Devara Kunita and then this Suggi Kunita, Halakki Suggi Kunita from North Karnataka. So though we took up the movements, ideas from the videos, we had to formulate our own way of groups and things and put it together and make it a whole. And also I have tried certain easy flowing movements for Gauda and Malli when they dance together and they become united later. And then they live a very wonderful life, fulfilling all their aspirations. That's the tale of Gaudar Malli.
ಕಾಮವಿಲ್ಲಿನ ಅಂಬು ಏರಿದ ವೇಣಿ ಸುಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಜೆ ಕೆಂಪಿನ ರಾಗರಂಜನಿ ತುಟಿಗೆ ತಂದಿದೆ ಸತತ ಯುವರದ ಸಪಾಮವಾಮವ ಸದಾವದಾವದ ಸಪಾಮವಾಮವ ಸದಾವದಾವದ ಪಮವಂ ಮಗಮ ಗರಿಗ ನಿರನಿ ದವದ ಪಮವಂ ಸದದದನಿ ಮಮ 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 ದದ ದದ ಕಾಮದನಿ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಧನಿ ಧನಿ ನಿ ಧನಿ ದವ ಗಾಮ ಗಮವದನಿ ರಾಧೆ ಒಲವಿನ ಮುರಳಿ ಮಾಧವ ಇಂದಿನಿ ದಸರೆಯೊಳು ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪೂಜೆಯು ನಿನಗೆ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿಯೇ ಭಗವತಿಯ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಭುವನ ವಂದಿತ ಮಾತೆ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ ಗೌರಿ ಆಹಾ ನೀರೆ 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 ಆಹಾ ನೀರೆ
Kavya Nritya, the modern poems adapted to dancing. And the first one is K.C. Shivapa's poem on Krishna imagining Radhe to be with her. He is dreaming of her companionship and being with her, and he would like to see her in his presence. That's why we have used Radha at the back of Krishna. In the shadow, she is seen. Sometimes she comes around as though she is with him, then goes back into at the back of the person who is enacting Krishna. I have not used Krishna in the costumes by any chance. Only the dancer is depicting that. And the shadows shows the movement, cross movements of the dancers. It looks very attractive that way. And then the imagination of Krishna that she is with him. And sometimes he feels she's beside him. Sometimes he feels he cannot see her. So we created that with the lighting effect and movements. We created that. Next one is Rashtra Rajeshwari of Dr. Siddhaya Puranik on the flag I told you. And I've used the tricolor flag, and also here also the movements depict the struggle for independence when the atom bomb was thrown, used, and the people, how the Indian people wanted only peace, and Gandhi fought for freedom only with his very quiet and peaceful attitude, not with war or anything. All that is not said, but that's what it depicts. From the shackles of the Britishers, we have come out, and Rashtra Rajeshwari is today worshipped, and we are all happy to be free. That's the depiction there. I have used the tricolor for the costume, and the lighting also spot lights which enhance the movement of each dancer. And then the last one is, I think, Samudra Geete, Dr. Vinayaka Gokak's. That is also, he is also a Jnanapita Prashasti Vijeta. And then the ebb and tide of the ocean is seen with the background having the blue cyc and the girls wearing the flowy white veils to show the waves. And the movements also depicts the way the waves come forward and goes back, and then the ripples of the water. All that is shown with their hand gestures and things. And in between, the lyrics also come saying that the Milky Ocean was churned by Deva, Danavas, and then so many things came up for the benefit of the mankind. And also the struggle of the man goes on eternally, just like the ebb and tide of the ocean. From tradition to transition, how you take your art, it matters, I think. You also, I like to say that I like to work parallelly on both lines. I keep to the tradition. I want to do the Varnams, I want to do the Ashtapadis and Padams and Javlis as they are, and maybe I have shortened them a little and pruned them, some of them, because of the time constraints we have.
I mean, it was a really very, very thoughtful and very informative, and I enjoyed listening to you. It was fantastic. I mean, it's one thing when we are in class and learning and listening, and it's another thing to have a chat like this, which is very rare for me. So I really enjoyed it.
Yes, Chitra, I'm also very happy that you have taken up dancing so very seriously and working so well, both in Bharatanatyam and Kathak and contemporary also, plus to that, and you're training so many students. You're doing a wonderful job. We have a good institution you have built up, and you have such ideas to put up such things for the benefit of the field. Something I am very proud of.
Thank you so much, Auntie.
Keep doing such work, and all the best to you. And thank you for inviting me, and I enjoyed talking to you also. Thank you.
Thank you, Auntie. Thanks. Thank you for watching this video. Follow us on Instagram for more updates. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel.